Hi, this is Life Science and welcome to my channel. Did you ever wonder how something can transform from a totally different animal to a very beautiful new animal? Well, there is one insect called a cicada. From a little maggot-like creature to a very elegant and beautiful singing insect. How was this possible? In this video, I'm here to show you how the process of transformation occurs in a cicada. It's about 9:40 p.m. at night, and the reason why it came out at night is that cicada nymphs are actually nocturnal. Adult cicadas are diurnal, but cicada nymphs have to come out of the shell without being bothered, so they come out at late night to not be seen or disturbed. Up there, I predicted that we might find some cicada nymphs. While we were coming up, we found this cicada nymph, which was in a ready position and started coming out when we put him in this jar. Hopefully we find some more. This is a cicada hole where cicada nymphs come out. I think the nymph already came out. Finally, we caught another cicada nymph. We brought the cicada nymph home to record the molting process.